Robin and Maid Marian delight to ease you into the Friday evening. That was Erich Korngold's theme. The BBC Phil was conducted by Rumon and Korngold, born on this day in 1897. And that is it for In Tune for today. Thank you so much for your company. Thank you to my guests. Petrok's back on Monday. He's got a wonderful group. The Raffi Bushman Trio are going to be playing live. Actor Leah Woodall is also going to be talking about his new film, The Tuner, so don't miss that. Stay tuned now, though, until the concert at 7:30. It's time for the Classical Mixtape.